Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL 313. We will present our project entitled EcoTrack. Next slide. Okay, this is our member and their contribution. First one is Hadi Wiranata, responsible for application interface development and back-end logic. The next one is Fahri Andrian Saputra, developing and managing the application back-end. The next one is Ibra Marioka, designing user interface and user experience and implementing them into the front end. The next one is Hermansa, contribute to UI or UX design and front-end development to create an attractive and user-friendly application interface. The next one is Muhammad Adin, performing application quality testing and assisting with front-end and back-end development. The last one is Naila Nur Nabila, acting as a business analyst in analyzing system requirement, compiling and managing project documentation. Next slide. Project purpose and scope. Purpose: developing the EcoTrack mobile application to calculate and monitor the carbon footprint of user transportation activities. Scope project: Android-based mobile application for calculating vehicle carbon emission estimate. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Fahri Andrian Saputra.
Okay, here we have the overview of the application. EcoTrack is a mobile application designed as a means of education and monitoring carbon emissions from user transportation activities. The EcoTrack app works by processing vehicle data, fuel type, and travel distance to generate carbon emissions estimated in CO2 units. In addition to the emissions calculation feature, EcoTrack also provides travel history, eco-friendly transportation recommendations, educational notification, and digital notification feature. Next, we have functional and non-functional requirements. First one, system provides login. Second, the system displays main page. 3, system provides feature for tracking. 4, system displays history. 5, system show detailed data for each history. 6, system provide donation feature. 7, system provide profile editing. 8, system displays admin page. 9, 10, and 11, system provide CRUD for admin to manage application. 12, system provides logout. Second, non-functional. Security, the system must implement data encryption. Second is usability. Mobile and web admin application must have intuitive, simple, and user-friendly interface. Third is compatibility. The mobile app should run smoothly on Android device. The admin website should work optimally on various modern browsers. 4, carbon compatibility. Carbon emission carbon takes less than 3 seconds. And 5 is reliability, up 99% uptime, and automatic daily backups. 6, language, uses clear and easy to understand Indonesian language. Next, we have implementation of learning in the admin assist course. Some important configuration use is multi-service, port mapping, volume, restart policy, and custom network. Next will be explained by Ibra.
Implementation of database security course learning. Implementation of database security course learning is carried out of the Cobalt project. First, study and implement database security concept in real life. This implement include design a client server architecture that restrict direct access to the database using role-based authentication and authorization RBAC and implementation role-level security to ensure that user and only access their own data. Implementation of applied database security. The system is designed to indirect access to database. All data can only access to the backend for greater security. User must login first and password are not stored in plain text but hash. The user can only view and manage their own data, not view the other people data. Admin and user have different access according to their respective tasks. Important data is protected so that it cannot be changed ability. The system is equipped with activity login to find out who did that. The API is protected with a secure token, so it cannot be accessed with just anyone. So the system is tested to ensure the attack as such and skill injection and illegal access are unsuccessful. The implementation of human computer interaction of core kernel. Interface basic and design principle. The interface is designed to be simple, consistent, and informative. The bottom navigation makes it easy for user to access key feature. Information such as total key to emission is clearly displayed on the main page. Emission detail and donation are available on the user statistic page. Design methodology and low fidelity. Design begins to wireframe to determine the application usage flow, focus on emission calculation flow, so monitoring, and offset action. LoFX help ensure the application ESD to use before moving on to visual design. Typography and color in UI text design. Using green as the primary color, they represent environment and sustainability. Color contrast in maintenance so that information remain easy to read. Typography is chosen to be simple and clear to improve readability and mobile device. Next, disability set testing on the Ecotrack application using this method result in an average score of 70, which is fall into good category, indicating that the application is fairly easy to use. Next will be explained by Herman.
Implementation of software testing force learning. Testing in the Ecotrack PBL project was conducted in a planned and continuous manner throughout development. The team focused on testing core feature first to ensure functional equality, detected bugs early, reduced major risks, and ensure the application was stable and met quality standards before presentation. Implementation of applied software testing. Testing in conducted by the development team itself because they understand the workflow and fit the application. Independent testing is still applied to obtain different results during the development process. Next. This display the login page. User can enter their email address and password to access. The application of this day already have an account. If they don't have an account, they can create one by entering their name, email address, and password. Then can report by entering the previous registered email address. Next. This slide display the main page and community with the application, where you can view better with their respective function. User can also see which communities test with to donate to. Next, Adi. Next, Adin.
Okay, this is a display from emission calculation, and user can start from choose a facial and choose a field type, and user can start go to tracking with a permission DPS and the result, I get the result and can see the history in history. Next, this is a donation offset. User can donation with choose community and choose especially amount and tag a donation. If a success and writing, user can see in history. Next. This is a profile page. In profile page, user can edit profile, FAQ, and statistic user. Alright, now next will be explained by Naila.
Okay, the next is Closure. In Closure, Ecotrack was developed not only from a technical perspective, but also with consideration for user needs, data security, and system readiness. Through the comprehensive and structured implementation of software engineering stage, Ecotrack is expected to become a real solution in supporting sustainable environmental monitoring and reflecting software development competencies. Okay, next is conclusion. In conclusion, EcoTrack helps user monitor the environmental impact of transportation activities through its carbon emission tracking and carbon offset features. With the support of its admin management features, EcoTrack is expected to encourage public awareness to adopt a more environmentally friendly lifestyle.
Okay, that's all from our team. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.